Hi guys, I'm Patrick, and today we're going to continue our grouped table view tutorial. How are we going to do that? Well, we are going to include custom table view cells, but one custom table view cell for the first section and another one for the second section. So let's just decrease the number of sections to 2 so we can delete half of this code. Let's just say 3 and 2 for now. Let's go to our storyboard, select the table view. Under the attribute inspector, let's just select prototype cells and type in 2, so we have 2 of them. The second one, let's just put the title and the subtitle. We'll have to set the constraints, so just the left, because other ones are set. Is there a problem? They have same identifier, so let's just select the cell and identifier custom cell 2. Create a new class. Let's call it custom 2 table view cell. Select the cell, select the identity inspector, set the class to custom 2 table view cell, open the assistant editor, go to manual because it didn't recognize. Okay, let's create the outlets, so title label and subtitle label. Now what you want to do is go back to the view controller, go to the table view cell for row at index path. Now what you want to do is type in if index path dot section is equal to 0. So if it's the first section, because it's indexed from 0, if it's the first section, what you want to do is create just a custom table view cell, the first one. But if it's not, if the section is 1 or any other section, create another cell, another type of cell. Let's just do return cell, so we can delete this. Return cell. So what you want to do is cell is equal to table view dot dequeue reusable cell with identifier. But if we go back to the storyboard, you'll see that here we've select the cell, the identifier to custom cell 2. Okay, so what you want to do is type in here custom cell 2, and the class we've set is custom 2 table view cell. If we go back to the custom 2 table view cell, we see that we have title and subtitle label. What you want to do is say cell.title label .text is equal to, let's say, the same thing. Let's just set the same, because we have the same subtitle label both in the custom table view cell and in the custom 2 table view cell. So now if we run this code, let's see what happens. Okay, so now we have different custom table view cells for different sections, but this header doesn't really represent what's in this section, so let's change that too. So what you want to do, so it's a header of a section, so we need to, if the section is 0, say images, if section is 1, let's say information. So if section is equal to 0, because it's indexed from 0 and the first section is 0, return images, else return information. Let's run the project now, and it should say images, and for the second section it should say information. So let's see that working. Okay, attaching here images, information, but here it says end of images and the same end of images, but it's not actually end of images but end of information, so let's change that too. So let's say if section is equal to 0, say end of images, but else say return, we want it to say end of information. So now we have images, end of images, information, and end of information. So we have all the stuff different from the first section and for the second section. It's all different. So yeah guys, that would be it from this one. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and share it with your friends.